In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to set up a virtual machine. A virtual machine is the ability to run an operating system within an operating system by using a piece of software. The software I'll be using is Oracle VirtualBox. The operating system we will be using is Linux Mint 64-bit. Both will have links in the description below for you to download. So first thing I want to do is open up Oracle VirtualBox. I'm going to click New, and we're going to create a new virtual machine. I'm going to name mine Mint 64. Then we're going to give it the type of operating system to be installing it. It will be Linux, and we're going to be 64-bit, so we're going to go Other 64. Next, we're going to allocate how much RAM we're going to give it. So I will be giving mine 2 gigs of RAM, and we're going to create a new hard drive. We want a VDI, a virtual disk image, dynamically allocated, and I'm going to make mine 30 gigs. This will be the size of your virtual hard drive to create. Now, that's your virtual machine created. So you want to highlight the virtual machine and click Start. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to browse and find the operating system that we previously downloaded. So there it is. It is in Downloads, and there's my Linux Mint 64-bit. So what we want to do is click Open, and next we're going to click Start. So now the machine is booting. Now we'll be centered with the Linux Mint for boot in 10 seconds. Now I'll be skipping forward to the desktop screen. So, first thing we want to do is we want to make it full screen so we can actually see what's happening on the screen. Now, we're going to X off that and X off that. Now, what we're going to do is install Linux Mint on this virtual machine. So, first thing you want to do is select the language, which is English. Now, we have at least 9.5 gig, and we're connected to the internet. So what I want to do is click Continue. Erase disk and install Linux Mint. Yes, install now. Click Continue. Next, what I want to do is select the region that we're currently in, which would be Dublin. Next, we want to select the keyboard that we'll be currently running, which is going to be Irish, because I'm currently in Ireland. Next, what we want to do is give it a name. So we're going to give our Mint 64 first name. Now we have to give it a password. I'll give my password Mint 1234. Mint 1234. Now then you can require login automatically, or you can require a password on login. We will require a password on login. Continue. I'll be skipping to the end of the screen. Now, so it has installed Linux Mint, and we're going to restart now. While it is restarting, I'll be skipping forward. So now it is starting up again. Now we are presented with the login screen. So what we do is click Mint64 and we type in the password that we previously set. Running inside our Windows 7 machine. So now I'm going to walk you through the browser and some of this pre-installed software that comes with this tool. So first thing I want to do is I don't want to show that one. Start up, and we'll X that off. So you have your normal home folder, and we have computer. We also have Firefox, we have the terminal, which is the same as the command line in Windows, and we have your folder button, and we have accessories, which include a calculator, and a font viewer, and a screenshot taker. Then we have graphics, we have GIMP image editor, then we have internet, we have Firefox for browsing the internet, we have Office, which is the same as Microsoft Office, it's Linux version of it. So we have your writer, which is the same as Word, and we have the calculator, we have the full blown, we have sound and videos, we have Banshee, and we have VLC player. Then if you want to get any specific software, you go to the software manager. This will require you to enter your password. Then you're presented with your software manager. So I'm going to show you how to install one program. So I'm going to install Chromio, which is Linux equivalent to Google Chrome. We're going to go Chrome. I'm going to search, and there's Chromio. So we double click on it, and then we click install. So that is how you install software on the Linux operating system. And thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please leave any comments below if you have any questions.